Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 295. If we start with this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're just missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. No help here, 1, 5, 9. 5 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. No help here, 1, 2, 5. 2 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 1, 7. That 5 makes this our 2, 5, 2. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 9 here, so 6, 9. And for this box, we're missing a 2. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. That means the only place the 9 can be in this column now is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4, and no other help. So 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 6, 7. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. Let's do some other cleanup here. With that 1 and that 5 makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 1, 5. This 2 and this 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this box now we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 4 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.